Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Look outside. What can you see? Yes, trees, flowers, birds. So many wonderful things in nature. Today, we're going to learn about nature. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's learn some new words about nature. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Frog. A frog. Repeat after me.
Frog. A frog.
Bird. A bird. Repeat after me.
Bird. A bird.
Fish. A fish. Repeat after me.
Fish. A fish.
Flower. A flower. Repeat after me.
Flower. A flower.
Leaf. A leaf. Repeat after me.
Leaf. A leaf.
Rainbow. A rainbow. Repeat after me.
Rainbow. A rainbow.
Tree. A tree. Repeat after me.
Tree. A tree.
Now, let's learn how to ask and answer about what we see in nature. Listen and repeat after me. What's this? Repeat after me.
What's this?
It's a frog. Repeat after me.
It's a frog.
Let's play a game. I'll show you a picture, and you say what it is. Ready? What's this?
It's a frog.
Yes, it's a frog. What's this?
It's a flower.
That's right. It's a flower. What's this?
It's a rainbow.
Wow! You're amazing. What's this?
It's a fish.
Good job. It's a fish. What's this?
It's a leaf.
Yes, it's a leaf. What's this?
It's a bird.
Wow! You're amazing. What's this?
It's a tree.
Fantastic. It's a tree. Great job, everyone. You're all nature experts now. That's all for today. We learned about nature and new words like frog, flower, rainbow, and tree. See you next time. Goodbye.